Do you want to lose belly fat fast without going to? And powerful tips that actually work. And number 7 is a game changer. Let's get started. Start your day with a glass of warm water. It boosts your metabolism and helps burn belly fat faster.
आसान और मौसर वर्जिश
Simple walking
सबसे आसान वर्जिश.
Burn fat without jumping or fancy gear.
You don't need equipment, just stay consistent. Tip 3, cut sugar completely. Sugar is the number 1 reason for belly fat. Avoid sugary drinks, cakes, and sweets. Tip 4, add more protein to your meals for a longer time and reduces cravings. Eat eggs, chicken, lentils, or yogurt. Type 5, drink lemon water. Lemon water cleans your stomach, improves digestion, and supports. Avoid eating late at night. Your body stores late night food as fat. Try to finish dinner at least 3 hours before sleep. Type 7, reduce the salt. Intake excess salt causes bloating and water retention. Reducing salt makes your belly look flatter instantly. Tip 8, the 3 simple exercises daily. Try these 3 moves at home. 1, plank 20 seconds. 2, high knees 30 seconds. 3, mountain climbers 20 seconds, no equipment needed. Tip 9, stay hydrated all day. When your body is dehydrated, it slows down fat burning of water every day. Tip 10, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Poor sleep increases belly fat. A good night's sleep helps your body burn fat naturally. These 10 simple tips can help you lose belly fat faster and stay healthy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more daily weight loss tips.